In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a GoDaddy account step by step. If you're looking to buy a domain name, set up hosting, or start building your website, the very first thing you need is a GoDaddy account. The good news is, it only takes a few minutes, and I'll walk you through the entire process so you don't miss anything. Make sure to watch until the end so your account is set up correctly. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top, type in godaddy.com and press enter. This will take you directly to GoDaddy's official website. Make sure you are on the correct website before entering any personal information. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Sign In. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this drop-down, select Create an Account, or you may see New Customer, Create an Account. Click that option to begin the registration process. Now you'll be taken to the account creation page. Here, GoDaddy gives you multiple ways to sign up. You can create your account using an email address and password, or you can sign up using your Google account, Facebook account, or Amazon account. If you prefer a faster option and are already logged into one of those services, you can simply click that option and follow the prompts to continue. If you're creating your account using email, enter your email address in the first field. Make sure this is an email address you have access to because you may need to verify it later. Next, create a strong password. Your password should include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account secure. Take a moment to create something secure but memorable. You may also see a field for a username. This is optional, but you can create one if you'd like. Once you've filled in your email, password, and optional username, click on the Create Account button. After clicking Create Account, GoDaddy may require you to verify your email address. If prompted, go to your email inbox and look for a message from GoDaddy. Open that email and click on the verification link inside. This confirms that you own the email address and activates your account. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder just in case. Once your email is verified, your GoDaddy account will be fully active. You can now sign in anytime using your email and password or the third-party login option you selected earlier. From your account dashboard, you'll be able to search for domain names, purchase hosting, manage products, and start building your website. And that's it. You've successfully created your GoDaddy account. As you can see, the process is quick and beginner-friendly. Now you're ready to move forward with buying a domain or setting up your online presence. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.